Welcome to 3700 South Bannock Street. Make this your ho-ho home before the holidays. Let's check it out. Dasher up the stairs with me. Look at this great front porch. Cupid, you yourself, sipping coffee here in the morning? Just through the front door, you're greeted by the open concept layout with beautiful hardwood floors throughout. A dancer's dream. In here is the tastefully styled primary bedroom with plenty of built-in storage. Comment to taking a load off and relaxing in the light, bright living room. Wow. If you're thinking of Vixen a meal, head to the beautifully remodeled kitchen with quartz countertops, subway tiles, gas stove, stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage. Just off the kitchen is the dining space, with ample room for a bar if you feel like getting blitzed this holiday season. The second bedroom is filled with natural light. Heading to the back of the house is the mudroom, which is great for getting clean after all your reindeer games. Plus, 345 square foot basement, great for storage or a workshop. Before heading outside, don't forget to donder your coat. Out here we have a beautiful covered porch, great for entertaining, plus the fire pit space, and to the side we've got plenty of grass for garden and or prancing through the yard. Through here's the 4-car garage, big enough for Santa, his sleigh, and all his reindeer. You already knows that this house shines bright. You'll not want to miss out.